Bird vs drone detection. Deep learning algorithm and results from a grand challenge. The commercial drone make them an aerial threat for facilities like airports, stadium and sensitive areas. This project is based on machine learning, birds and drone detection system. Using machine learning makes an easiest and efficient way of classification. In our proposed system is based on CNN algorithm which takes minimum prediction time. Modules are dataset collection, pre-processing, splitting the data into training, validation and testing. Using VGG16 can classify the bird and drone. Some screenshots from our projects. Using CNN algorithm is performed by using VGG16 to identify the bird and drone faster and easier.